going on, everyone? Today I'm in Fontana at the Southridge Park. My goal for today is for me to check out the Southridge Downhill Trail. So right now I'm on this road that connects to that water tower. You can go up this and then you can hit some of these small little features to get some air for hitting some jumps. They're not pretty massive. They're just good little launch pads. This is a great place to ride if you guys live in Ontario or Fontana, Riverside, Loma Linda, places in the Inland Empire, or if you're just willing to drive far to get to this trail. Actually, before we continue more up, just wanted to show you guys this transition where you can practice on your jumps. Nothing intimidating, just small little tables like this. See, not too bad. And then to the left of those smaller tables, got slightly bigger tables like this. So yeah, these are fun little features right over here. Not too intimidating at all. You just slowly increase your speed and pop over time and you get comfortable with these jumps. But the only thing is, this whole entire area, Fontana, Bloomington, Colton, around here in general, it gets super windy because of the Santa Ana winds. So if you're gonna be airborne, just make sure it's like less than a millisecond because it's gonna blow you off, of course, towards the bushes or something. And then here's a little fun jump line that's like parallel to the fire road right here. Not too big gaps, it's just a couple tables here, like this one. Yeah. Nice. Same here. Same here. See, not too bad. Amazing. Really nice little place. Yeah. Yeah. Nice. Good little drops there. So yeah, we passed the water plant right here, and then we go up the water plant connector trail, which is over here. Seems like a good place here. It's very unfortunate of all the taggings that are onto nature's most beautiful, pristine trails like this. So it's a shame that people don't respect nature, that they tag it or trash it or anything that they want to it. But here we are. Let's see what's on top. Oh, never mind. But I do see the downhill part of the trail, so let's go down there. Time to go down Southridge Trail for downhill. I've never been at this trail, so I'm not sure what to expect. Okay. Seems like there's multiple loops here, so gotta find which one looks the best, I guess. Okay, so I did climb back up to where I started. Not too far from coming up, but it was just a little bit of stair steppers coming up, so I'm gonna try a different part of this trail and fill you guys in. Yes. Oh yeah. Really chunky. Oh shit. Yes. Yeah. Nice. Very good. Continuing down. best place so far. Like I said, I've never been here, so I don't know which lines to take. Yeah. Man, that was a really nice run down. Let's continue up a little bit. We've got more boulders and rocks here. Not sure where to go, but let's take a look. See. Go down this way. Oh, looks like it's very chunky here. Oh wow. Look at this. Yeah. Oh yeah. That's good. Oh, what the hell? Yes. Yeah. Amazing. More tech. Very good place. And this was the Southridge Downhill Trail. If you guys live in the Ontario, Fontana, Colton, and nearby areas, you cannot miss this trail. This is by far the most downhill, most technical trail you can ever get in the entire Inland Empire area. But I'll be sure to making more rides out more east of LA if I can, and I'm open to any more suggestions of which trails I can ride. So anyway, thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.